Hi friends, I'm in Michael's. Fall is here. Let's go shopping. So I'm in Michael's where the air conditioning is pumping and I'm escaping the heat. I'm going to take you guys around the store and show you what is new, what they're putting out for fall because it is already hitting the shelves. Now this will be our first trip into Michael's this season, but there'll be many more to come, so be sure to do what you need to do so you don't miss out on all the fun. So they already have their fall decor hitting the shelves at 40% off. Not surprised by that. Their prices are usually a little bit high. We can all agree on that. Everything right now is super high, so I'm just showing you what's out there. Maybe it'll give you some inspiration on things that you already have on hand and how to decorate for fall using them. So the first set of things I'm sharing with you guys are all of their dining pieces. I do like that it is really geared more towards Thanksgiving than fall. You'll see a really beautiful turkey here coming out, and I love these chargers. This one looks like a faux leather, and I just think it is beautiful. They have plenty of little serving dishes, lots of things for entertaining and tablescapes, and then we're going to actually move on to some of the other things they have in the store. They put out a whole sunflower, a farmhouse, and lots more goodies in the back. Now I thought this was really pretty and well done. Fall Sweet Fall little pumpkin with the wood edging and a gold leaf, $14.99. It's already 40% off. They also have this turkey that I think is absolutely beautiful. Now something like this you might be able to pick up at a thrift store and paint yourself. They also have these little acorn luminaries and tons of ceramics already, as well as floral. Now, I like Michael's floral. I also like Hobby Lobby's floral. My question to you is, are you a Michael's shopper? What do you prefer? Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann's? Which of the craft stores do you love the decor style of? Comment down below and let me know. I think this little gathering of gold wheat is beautiful. Now, I think I've seen little ceramic leaves like these in the Dollar Tree, in the glass, and they also have this gorgeous, I was afraid to pick it up. I didn't want to break it. It is a drink dispenser that is a pumpkin. Now, it is glass and it is quite heavy. The dispenser was actually plastic, so heads up on that if you're looking for one. They also have lots of tabletop pieces, grateful, blessed, thankful. I'm loving the combination of the blue with the orange. They also have this set in gold, so you could use that in a multitude of different ways. They have lots of risers in the wooden tin, tons of tiered trays, and some larger signs. The Gather Together I thought was really pretty. They also have one in Happy Thanksgiving and lots of coordinating pieces to go along with them. I love the lanterns, the candlesticks, everything. I'm ready for the weather that I can burn candles in because I feel like I'm melting right now. They actually have this whole set that we're going to get to next that has the pumpkin motif. I love these little spreaders in the gold with the leaves. They do have a utensil caddy and baskets, perfect little trays or just little centerpieces where you can place napkins and a few things. Now over here, we're finding more of the dishes and things for Thanksgiving as well as fall. They do have this motif. Now this motif reminds me of something my mom had with like mushrooms on it. It's giving me an old school vibe. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about because I don't remember what it was, but there was a mushroom print on white dishes, I believe. Something is recalling that from my childhood. Now they also have these, I'm going to call them candy dishes, these little pumpkins. You could also use them as little soup servers, and actually with 40% off, this would be right around $6-7, so not bad. They also have these pumpkins right now that are carved looking, so they're super lightweight, although they look like they're super heavy wood. I think they're beautiful. I love the more natural one. And I think right now they actually have an additional 20% off of their 40% that the fall decor is. There are a few items specifically in store right now for fall that are 50% off. So just be sure to check your prices when you are in. I love these lanterns. I think these are beautiful. These are great for year round, although they do definitely resemble the shape of maybe a pumpkin or gourd. I think they're gorgeous. They have lots of large serving platters, so if you're looking for anything for entertaining this fall, you should definitely check them out. Now, I like to use just plain white dishes that I can switch out, maybe with a colorful napkin. What about you? Do you like to have different dishes for different seasons? I just don't have the storage for that, but I do love to mosey through a store and take a look at everything there is. So hope you guys are enjoying seeing what Michaels is putting out for fall. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the future fall shop with me's, as well as crafting and decorating that I've got planned coming to my channel soon. They also have this whole football theme. Now for me, summer and fall have always revolved around that. I raised a cheerleader, so if you have a passion for football, they've got an entire set of decor out at Michael's that goes along with the season. And if fall means football to you, I totally get it. It always has for us as well. Now, next to their whole football setup, they also had some fall pillows hitting the shelves that I want to share with you guys. I'm sure that there will be more to come, but this whole collection definitely coordinates with what they're putting out as far as the dishes. So there's a lot of burnt orange with some, like, I'm going to say turquoise more than teal, definitely combining the blue. And let me know if you want to come back. We can take a look at all the fall floral because they are combining blues with oranges. They've got out some beautiful pinks. So let me know if you like to see the floral. Sometimes I feel like the floral can just be a little bit boring for people, but if you guys want to see it, we can definitely come back. These are their smaller signs. They are all priced at $9.99, and then they just give them a 40% off price. So then you're getting them for around $6. I thought this one was super cute because I'm looking forward to the hot coffee beverage season with cooler weather. This one is so cute, pumpkin spice and everything nice. I think that's adorable with all the little treats on it. Of course, they got to bring the gnomes in and sweaters and all sorts of things. So now I'm going to turn around and show you guys what's behind me. They actually have an entire wall dedicated to sunflowers and farmhouse fall decor, and it's definitely more geared towards the kitchen. Now, if I'm being totally honest, I'm somewhat over a lot of signs. For a while there, boy, I was all about them, but I do like timeless pieces, and I feel like they did a good mix of the more traditional farmhouse as well as some real nice staple pieces like this utensil caddy that is just beautiful ceramic white. I also think this picture is gorgeous. It does have a slight gray stripe there along the bottom. They do have their fair share of signs, like I said, the little pantry sign. Now I love that. I think that's a recipe holder in ceramic, and then this little rolling pen calendar I thought was really cute. I've never seen anything quite like that. They do have some really nice metal tiered trays, some more signage. You could really use some of these pieces anywhere in your home. Now, who remembers the scale craze? I was part of it. I'm raising my hand right now. If you were, raise your hand. They have them back, so if you are looking for one. I also like just more traditional wood pieces that you can use year round, like these canisters. I think these are beautiful, and actually on sale, this is a really good price. This really rivals other places where you can get them for like $5. They also have a really nice metal welcome sign. I like the curled edges. They've got the bread box. I think they did that last year. I like that little wooden house as well. And then lots of traditional kitchen signage. They also have some pieces for storage, and I can appreciate that because you can use that year round. I love that folding little, you could use it for mugs or all kinds of things, some metal shelves. And now let's take a look at all of the fun sunflower pieces. I've always liked sunflowers, but especially during this season of like it's late summer, early fall, they have these canisters back. So they're priced at $12.99, so at 40% off. And if they're one of those pieces that is 50% off, they'll be even less right now. I thought these were really cute little metal pails. Try and get them out from under each other, and that was more difficult, but they are really cute. Now over here they've got lots of small tabletop pieces. They have some oversized pillows and down below some larger hanging wall decor. Now I really like this little welcome sign with the arch at the top. That was really cute, a little bit different than what they've done the last few years. I think it's a little bit more modern feeling, and I do really appreciate that. Of course, they have the window and the metal sunflowers, welcome home sign, some little pots and some storage and some glass pieces. I actually think they had quite a few really nice glass pieces this year. Those are things that you can use. Again, I'm all about using things year round these days, just simplifying life. So things like this that maybe coordinate with a room I have on hand and that are beautiful and I can pick up on sale. Love that. They also have the soap dispenser and the measuring cups, a wreath, a home sign with a sunflower in the center. I really do like that little welcome tag. I think that'd be cute added onto a wreath. And plenty of glass pieces, like I was saying, but I appreciate that they do sunflowers for those of us who are maybe starting to feel like they're ready for fall, even though we'll get our fair share of people saying, no, let me enjoy my summer. For those of us that are ready for it, I'm going to show you guys a few garlands. They have lots of felt garlands, some footballs, some turkeys. This one made me laugh. They also have a gnome motif. This one with lots of pie. I'm ready for pie. They have pumpkins in a corduroy that I thought were really pretty and some felted ones as well. I do want to show you a few of their floral pieces back here. I thought this one was gorgeous. Now the price tags by Ashland can be overwhelming, so I try to wait until things hit at least 50, sometimes 60% off. But that wreath with the orange slices reminded me of a lot of what we were seeing last year for Christmas. So I think it's interesting. We could definitely reuse those things like this that they had put in a garland. So you could do the dry fruit not only for the holidays, but through the fall. I really like that idea because I did quite a few dried fruit DIYs last year for Christmas. So I'm thinking about doing that with the orange slices for my fall decor. And that would make it a lot easier to switch out for Christmas and the holidays. Now, I will say that Michael's does some beautiful garlands. I love the really stacked style, and they do have some gorgeous wreaths. So let me know, do you want to just come back and peruse and take a look at all of the fall foliage and all of the floral that is hitting the shelves at Michael's? Or would you just like to see kind of what's new when it hits the shelves? Because I can definitely do that as well. Now, I did want to cover the sisal critters. Now, you're either a fan of these or you're not. I was for a while. I'm kind of over them, if I'm being honest, but they had some really fun ones. I like this little pair with their glasses on. I like the little boat critters that are just floating around. They had some turkeys, as well as lots of owls, some foxes, porcupines, and even piggies. So wide variety of those at Michael's as well. And I do want to mention that they're putting out their outdoor garden stakes. Lots of welcome signs, footballs, turkeys, pumpkins, all things fall, and of course sunflowers. Now they also have some leaning welcome signs that I think are really pretty, and I hope you guys enjoyed this escape from the heat. Thank you so much for shopping with me, and I'll see you back very soon.